Hi everyone, welcome to Speak American with Anu. I'm Anu, your dramatic linguist, and today we are going to talk about one of the comments I got on my YouTube video. One of the comments to this video, in fact. The comment was, can you help explain look for and look forward? Okay, let's break this down. That can be confusing, but it is a simple solution. Look for and look forward are not related at all. Look for is to search for something. I look for my mother because I got lost in the grocery store. I look for my favorite book. I look for $10 that I lost on the street. Look for is to search for something that you don't have. Look forward means to get excited or to be excited about something, to anticipate an event or an experience that is going to happen. I look forward to meeting my husband. I look forward to eating that whole carton of ice cream. I look forward to sleeping for 12 hours. Look forward to, it always has to, is going to be followed by an ing action, sleeping, eating, meeting. Or it can be followed by a noun phrase. I look forward to my new job. I just got a new job. I'm looking forward to it. You might be moving into a new fancy house. You might say, I look forward to my new house. You could say, I look forward to moving into my new house. Or you could say, I look forward to my new house, because my new house or my new job is an experience. It's an experience as well as the object itself. I hope that helped clarify look for and look forward to. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below and I will either explain or I will make a whole new video about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that all of your friends can gain confidence in their American English. Until then, practice makes progress.